Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here today on my channel. It's great to be with you again. I'm going to be painting an autumn leaf today in my calendar of firsts, and this is a beautiful leaf, a burning bush leaf from my garden. So I will get straight on. My videos aren't intended to be instructional videos at all. I just share how I use watercolours in my nature journals. So I'm going to apply some quinacridone gold to these parts that I've sketched out. And the tree looks absolutely amazing at this time of year. The leaves are really, really beautiful. The whole landscape here in Lancashire is just breathtaking at the moment. The colours are truly glorious. If you have seen my blog recently, you will have seen that I have extended an invitation, and you all do keep your own calendar first next year, and I would love for you to keep in touch if you do that, if you choose to go ahead and do that. And I would love to see all the different ways that everyone keeps their own calendar of firsts. So do let me know if you intend to keep one. So I'm taking a little permanent rose and working that up the stalk. A vein of leaf. And I think I'm going to start with just a base wash of Potter's Pink. This is a lovely watercolour by Daniel Smith, and it's a granulating colour. It's very, very pretty. It has some beautiful effects with this colour, with granulating colours in general. Particularly if you're using traditional watercolour paper, which I'm not doing. I'm working in my Moleskine journal. Which, as I have discussed many times, the paper in the Moleskine is very thin compared to regular watercolour paper. So it can be tricky to work with. But I have to say I've been getting used to it, and I've really enjoyed using it for my calendar firsts. So I'm working over the top of the Potter's Pink wash with maroon. And again, I think this is a Daniel Smith colour. Okay. I think just a tiny touch of indigo at the end of the stalk. And let's go back in with the permanent rose here, just to establish that colour. And I want to take a little, oh, that's not a little of the indigo just around the edges of the leaf where it is darker. Just mopping up these puddles with a dry brush. So back in the indigo, and then I'm just really rinsing off my brush, just drying it off a little before blending in. I always have a cloth, an old cloth on my lap, which I wipe my brush off onto. And I want to go back over that. I need the colours to be much stronger, more vibrant, and this is drying currently. So back in with the maroon. The moleskine paper dries much faster than regular watercolour paper would because it is thinner. But it does hold water pretty well for the type of paper that it is. So it does give you a little bit of time to play around. So back in with some indigo here. So I'm rinsing off the brush and just taking the excess water out and then blending again. And again dropping in some more of the maroon, because I'm really conscious that I don't want to lose the vibrancy of this leaf. It really is such a beautiful, strong colour. And then I do want to add a bit more indigo here. And more of the maroon. And I want to just drop in a little permanent rose. Towards the centre of the leaf. Just a little bit more of the maroon. I'm just going to build up another layer of the permanent rose. on the stalk there. So I think that is the leaf completed. Thank you very, very much for joining me today. If you pop along to my blog, I will have listed all the products and colours that I have used for this painting. That's www.raisinglittleshoots.com. It's great to paint along with you again. Thank you ever so much for watching. Bye-bye.